Okay, so we've talked previously about 48 volts track systems and maybe the advantages to them in terms of, much smaller fittings, much bigger choice of fittings you put into them because of the fact you don't have a driver in each fitting separately, and you have one driver powering the whole track. Area's 35 system has taken that to another level, and we're just going to have a look at that today. So the 35 system, we've built it into our light art tunnel, which I'm going to have a look at in a minute. But it's got three separate sections on it that can be controlled separately. So you can have a track on one, and you can have LED tape in the other two. So you have the ability to create indirect lighting from your track, uplight onto your ceiling, and then have your track spots, linear inserts, pendants, the whole shebang as well. So it can be really, really adaptable in terms of what it can do. And then, in terms of the tape you can put into it, you can create anything from dynamic white to your different color temperatures, or like we've used in our tunnel here, RGB pixel control, which gives you the ability to do these type of light art applications. So it's really adaptable. I'm going to look at the tunnel, and then I'm going to have a look at close up what the 35 system is made from, and to give you a feel for maybe some of the possibilities to use it. So we'll have a quick walk into the tunnel. Okay, so this is our light art tunnel with the 35 system using pixel control LED tape. As I said, each pixel is individually controllable, and color changeable to really any color, and then can be programmed to run in different sequences. So from a light art perspective, you can really there's a full spectrum of possibilities in terms of what you can do with it. We've built it actually with mirrored, so that we get that inter-reflection. Just to look at the product itself, like we have three separate sections, so we can control these separately. At the moment, that's not been done. Process of programming it. So each of these can be controlled separately. Each arm can be controlled separately on the three sections. And then, as I'm saying, we have pixel control here, LED, but we can use we can use any color temperature. We can use dynamic white, and there's a huge range of applications then for residential and commercial. This is light art, but there's definitely so much more possibilities. So I'm going to look at the product close up to give you guys a feel for that. Okay, so we're just going to have a look at the 35 system close up. So what we have is this profile, this three-sided profile. We currently have this pixel control tape in it. As I said, you can use any tape. You could use colored. You could use what should I say? Dynamic white. You could use any color temperature. And then there is an ability to have one of these sides have a 48 volt track on it. So then once we go with the 48 volt track, we're looking at the likes of the Nano Perfetto. We're looking at linear inserts. We can even hang pendants from this, so it gives us a real and load layer downlights. So it gives us a real ability to be creative in terms of what we're doing. This is a visual representation just from the catalog. We've got flexible corner pieces. We've got like right-handed corner pieces. We've got obviously all these inserts that can be used on this. We've got the smoke diffuser, but also the clear diffuser as well. So or opal diffuser. So there's a huge sort of adaptability you can get with a system like this. So anything from residential, commercial, residential, particularly with the indirect lighting, we can uplight into the ceiling in like a 2,400 Kelvin or something like that, or even for commercial, like a dynamic white if we wanted to change that throughout the day, but also have that adaptability of having linear inserts, having load layer inserts. We're actually using it on an office fit out at the moment. The track system is a new addition to the 35 system, and it really has brought that adaptability to let us bring it into those commercial environments and that type of thing. So really interesting system, huge amount of possibilities with it.